Greetings. What we're going to try and do here is project 1 of this snap kit that I picked up at Radio Shack. I took electronics classes long time ago, and I was looking for something to kind of get my get myself back into it, and so I'm going to try this project. And it's pretty straightforward, I think. So I need to find this part, the 3 part. So I'm going to try this project, and it's pretty straightforward, I think. So I need to find this part, the 3 part, 4, 5, and a 6. There's no 3, so I don't worry about that. I'll just go with a 2. And just snap it onto the board like this. And